Hi everyone, I want to show you and explain to you how to do the animation or the magic of motion whenever I use my Zoom virtual backgrounds. And it is basically just a flipbook animation. It's just a series of pictures or images or a series of images and short video clippings that are being stitched together to make the motions happen. So let me show you my background and filters. So here I have, this one is just an image, and I want to switch to light up the one candle. So I will be switching to an MP4 video, and there is my candle being lighted. And then here I switch to another video, it has light again. And to the next video, then there's the next slide. So it really is just a series of images or videos. And I use PowerPoint to do all these things. So let me show you some of the PowerPoints that I did before. So first one is this Pop the Balloons. So this is just a series of balloons popping. First, I would have my background. And then I have 3 balloons. From there, I will make the one balloon pop, and then the balloons will go down a little bit, or the basket will go down a little bit, and then one balloon will pop. After that, the basket will go down a little bit, then the last balloon will pop. After that, the basket will get to the target. Another activity I had was the push and the pull. So here I have a car. So when I do it on my virtual background, when I push, the car will go to the end of the screen. So it really is just here when I say push, then I will just switch to another image. Okay, so I want to show you how I do that. So here, let me just close some of these and open. Oops. I'm going to open a PowerPoint and show you how I do it. Alright, so from here, I usually have my ruler open or in view because I always account for my space in the background. I usually start here, so 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So here, let me add a shape. This part is usually where I put all my images. And then this white part is usually my space in virtual background. So you have to really see how much space you need, and it all depends on your distance from the camera and your distance from your green screen. All right, let me delete this one, and I just want to copy paste and really show you how I do things. So first, I put in my background, so I'll just put a Control-C on that one, and Control-V. First and foremost, make sure that your slide is 16 by 9 by going to Designs, Slide Size, so widescreen 16 to 9. After that, so I put my background, then I start adding my images. Let me copy this one and switch it over to the other slide. So there's my target. Then what I do is I duplicate the current slide. So by duplicating it, so I do Control-C and then Control-V. From then, I will work on the next slide. So here, I will copy over the images. So I just highlighted all of the images and then Control C and then Control V. So to make sure that your transitions are smooth, what I do is I always copy my last slide. So this one, I'm copying the second slide by using Control C and then Control V, so that on my third slide, my balloons are still on the same position. And then from there, I put in the animation or the motion that I want to happen. So I delete one balloon and then I replace it with a pop. So let me copy this one and paste it to the other one. There you go. So from there, again, I will copy the last slide, Control C, and then paste it, Control V. Now I have the fourth slide. What I do next is I thought about the basket going down a little bit. So I copy all the images and then move everything down just a tiny bit. Okay, so from there, I remove all other things that need to be removed. And then here, so that's one action. Here, I go to my slide 4 on the left side of my screen. I do Control C and then Control V. What I do again is I make the balloon pop. So I remove the balloon and replace with it with a pop. Oops, not that one. I just copy the slide. So let's do that again. So let me grab a splat here. And I copy it over. And then just move it to the right spot. Okay, from here again, I copy the slide, Control C, Control V. And then I remove the splat and the string. I copy all the images and then move it down, move everything down just a tiny bit again. And then from here, I remove the balloon, replace it with a splat. Oops, let me undo that. Control C. And then on my last slide, Control V. So I just put the splat right there. And then copy the slide again. Control C and then Control V. Now I have my 7th slide. And from here, I just delete another splat and another string. And then move my image to the target. So basically that's it. It's just really a series of images. These I will save as JPEG or PNG. So there you have it. And then I upload them to Zoom Virtual Background, and here you just click on the series of images. There you have it. I hope this is helpful to you. Let me know if you have any questions. Post it down below, and I will answer as soon as I can. So this is Ms. Abney signing off. Till my next video. Bye.